most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, no rest for the weary. More weather this week. Not going to be a lot of snow, but there is going to be some impacts to it tonight and early tomorrow. We'll get into all of that as we check out downtown Lancaster. Pretty quiet here on a holiday Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. A lot of us volunteering today. Maybe you're just taking the day off. A lot of us have the day off. If so, enjoy it. 23 degrees out in Lancaster this morning. It is cold. It is also dry. Look at the dew point. 5 degrees. Dew points in the single digits. That's why a lot of this snow is not reaching the ground just yet. This is the leading edge of a wave that will impact us here starting tonight and continuing into the morning hours tomorrow with some light snow. We'll get into all of that, but it is snowing now just to our south, but very dry air in place locally and very cold air. Quite frankly, it actually feels like January outside with temperatures in the low to mid 20s. 25 in Harrisburg, Lancaster and York at 24, Chambersburg at 23. We've dropped the temperatures over the last 24 hours by about 10 degrees. So a significant chill in the air this morning. And some of us are in the teens. Lewistown, 17 degrees this morning, 18 in Mifflintown. And on the mountain where our camera is in Marysville, 19 degrees there. And we've got Lidditz coming in at 21 degrees. So it is a January morning. Yesterday was a January day. We hit our normal high, just about our normal low. A typical January day in central PA yesterday. It was nice, though. We had no rain, no snow. Except for a few squalls around. Not any measurable snow at the airport anyway. And we have a surplus now of almost 2.5 inches. Quite a different story from where we were last year. But this is a storm that's coming in from the south, and eventually it will produce some light snow for us. The track isn't great for a lot of snow. And it is going to come during the morning commute tomorrow. So that is going to have an impact for us here as we all get back into the swing of things. But we've got enough cold air. We've got snow along this area of low pressure that will start tonight and really end tomorrow morning. Light snow, but it's going to be steady for several hours. And then it turns breezy and blustery here Tuesday and Wednesday. We're going to have to deal with sub-zero wind chills, it looks like, early on Wednesday morning. So here is Hanover looking quiet on a holiday Monday. Temperatures will not move much. Today's high is getting stuck in the upper 20s, near 30 degrees. It won't be breezy today, but that will change heading into the day tomorrow. Clouds will continue to thicken up, and notice all this, what we call kind of chewing. The moisture to our south just kind of gets chewed up because of the dry air we have over top of us. But eventually tonight, we will start to see this. Now, this could happen as early as 6, 7 p.m. Precision Cast says it's going to wait until midnight. So just keep in mind, this evening we could start to see some light snow develop. Overnight it becomes steadier, and then tomorrow morning just a steady light snow for the morning commute that will last through about lunchtime before it moves out. It's not going to produce a lot, but it will produce some accumulation. It's cold enough. Then we clear out Tuesday. It becomes blustery. Wednesday it will be blustery as well. So how much snow? Well, it looks like 1 to 3 inches for most of us across the viewing area here. I think the most snow is going to be in the corridor for York, Lancaster, into the southeast region of Pennsylvania. That's going to be a little bit closer to where the low is. But in general, a 1 to 3 inch snowstorm for a lot of us. It does turn blustery tomorrow behind this storm. Winds at about 10 to 20 miles an hour, and it stays breezy here Tuesday night and again during the day on Wednesday. Wednesday may be one of the coldest days this week, and you factor in the wind behind the storm, and it's going to feel like it. So what we can expect between 6 p.m. and midnight tonight, snow showers, and then the snow becomes steady overnight. So between midnight and 8 a.m., a light, steady snow. Basically overnight, it will be snowing for the morning commute tomorrow, and then between 8 a.m. and noon, the snow will wrap up, 1 to 3 inches of it, and it will become blustery here during the day tomorrow. So that's the snow map, 1 to 3 for everybody. It will be snowing tonight into early Tuesday morning. Now, are we done with snow this week? Perhaps not. We're certainly not done with the cold as we check the extended outlook. Look at Tuesday morning, single digit and sub-zero wind chills, I should say Tuesday night into Wednesday morning behind the storm. And because of that breeze, it is going to stay in the teens for wind chills during the day on Wednesday. And then behind that, we've got another quick hitting storm, almost like a clipper, Thursday night into Friday. That could produce, again, a steady light snow for us here before another blast of cold air hits us for the weekend. So it doesn't look like heavy snow, but if you like snow, we've got a couple of chances of it for the week ahead. 29 degrees today on this MLK Day. We've got 26 tonight. Light snow will develop and continue to stick into the morning commute, 1 to 3 inches during the morning. It will exit by noon, and then we've got clearing skies behind it. Mostly sunny, but blustery here. Single-digit wind chills Wednesday morning. It's going to be a cold one. Clouds will increase Thursday. Another light snow event could affect us here on Friday, and then cold again by the weekend, just reinforcing shots of that cold air. But Statistically, this is the coldest time of the year in mid-January, and we're living up to it.
Yes, we are. So bundle up before heading out to those MLK observations
Yep,
today. Thank
you
you,
got it.
Brett. We will be right back.